guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you one of the techniques that I like to create texture on a canvas. My goal with this video is to inspire you to create an artwork for your room, your home, your office, or really any space that you have in your mind with any kind of color schemes that you prefer. You don't need to be a greatest artist or amazing painter to create beautiful, unique artwork. So if you happen to create this, please tag me on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave the link below in the description box. If you're new here, please subscribe. And if you like the video as much as I love making it, please give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel. And without further ado, let's jump into the video.
You're gonna need a couple of brushes. I'm gonna be experimenting with these brushes that I recently got. Also, you'll need Polyfilla, which is gonna be used for creating the texture, the Mod Podge, the clear coat. Also, you'll need some tissue papers. These are the tissues that can be used for wrapping. And what I'm gonna do with these is trying to make them wrinkly by crumpling them up several times. The more you crumple, the more texture they're gonna create for your canvas. Apply one coat of Mod Podge on your entire canvas. Unfold your tissue paper and start spreading it on your canvas. Lightly apply a layer of Mod Podge on top of the tissue. Just remember, you want to go very lightly because you don't want to lose your textures by a thick layer of Mod Podge. Once Mod Podge is completely dried, start applying the paint in tapping motion. Go ahead and start layering a variety of different colors on top of each other. I decided to cut and attach a piece of musical note to the center of the canvas. You can completely skip this part or attach anything you like, something that is meaningful to you or something that makes you happy, or as I mentioned, just skip this part and leave the canvas as it is. Polyfilla to create a frame around the paper that you just attach to your canvas. Once the texture that you just created completely dried out, start painting it. I have chosen a very dark paint. I mixed black and red because I wanted it to have a very good contrast with the background paint. And then I'm gonna add some gold color as a highlight on top of that dark paint. As a final touch, I have grabbed this brush. As you can see, it has very long and thin bristles, and all I'm doing is rolling it over my canvas, which has already been dried. I have a very thin layer of paint on my brush, and what I'm doing is trying to accentuate the texture by adding this dark paint. I'm trying to make those textures more prominent. And here is the final look. I really like how it looks kind of vintagey and old. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to leave me a comment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day. Bye.